IKEA, the furniture giant, is diving headfirst into the metaverse. They've partnered with Roblox, a popular online gaming platform, to create a virtual store. This is a big deal. It's a whole new way for people to experience the IKEA brand. Imagine browsing furniture from your couch. You can design your dream kitchen. You can even try out different sofas before you buy them. This is the power of the metaverse. It's about creating immersive experiences. And IKEA is at the forefront of this exciting trend. This isn't just about selling furniture though, it's about connecting with customers in new ways. It's about creating a sense of community. In the IKEA virtual store, you can hang out with friends, you can attend virtual events, you can even get design inspiration from other users. It's a whole new way to experience IKEA. Here's the really interesting part. The future of employment is evolving right before our eyes, and it's happening in the most unexpected places. This virtual store isn't just about fun and games. It's a new frontier where creativity meets technology, and it's opening up a world of possibilities. It's also creating real job opportunities. Imagine a world where your office is a digital landscape, and your colleagues are avatars from around the globe. That's right, real jobs in the virtual world. IKEA is hiring people to work in their Roblox store. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a serious business move. They need designers to create virtual furniture. These designers are not just playing a game, they are crafting intricate pieces that will be used by millions of virtual customers. They need salespeople to help customers. These salespeople are trained to navigate the digital environment, providing assistance and making sales just like in a physical store. They even need event planners to organize virtual gatherings. These planners are responsible for creating immersive experiences that can rival any real-world event. These aren't just temporary gigs either. These are legitimate career paths with real growth potential. The skills you develop in these roles are transferable and highly sought after. As the metaverse expands, so too will the demand for skilled workers. The digital landscape is growing at an unprecedented rate, and with it, the need for talented individuals. This is a huge opportunity for anyone interested in the digital economy. The digital economy is not just a trend, it's the future of how we work and interact. It's a chance to be at the forefront of a rapidly growing industry. Being part of this industry means you are shaping the future, not just following it. Think about it. You could be designing virtual furniture one day. This furniture could be part of a virtual home, office, or even a fantastical world. And the next, you could be managing a team of virtual salespeople. These salespeople could be interacting with customers from all over the world, all from the comfort of their own homes. The possibilities are endless. The virtual world offers a level of flexibility and creativity that is unmatched in the physical world. This is the future of employment, and IKEA is leading the way. They are not just adapting to the future, they are actively shaping it. IKEA is investing in training programs to ensure their virtual employees are well prepared. These training sessions are conducted in virtual reality, providing a hands-on experience that is both engaging and effective. Collaboration is key in this new work environment. Virtual teams are able to work together seamlessly, regardless of physical location. This opens up opportunities for a truly global workforce. The tools and software used in these virtual jobs are cutting edge. They are designed to make remote work not just possible, but efficient and enjoyable. Meetings in the virtual world are more interactive and inclusive. Team members can join from anywhere, bringing diverse perspectives and ideas to the table. Customer service in the virtual world is also evolving. Representatives are able to assist clients in real time, providing a level of service that is both personal and efficient. Product launches are no longer limited by geography. Virtual events can reach a global audience, making it easier to connect with customers and stakeholders around the world. IKEA's commitment to innovation extends to their training programs. They are using virtual reality to train employees, ensuring they are well equipped to handle the demands of the virtual world. They are also hosting virtual workshops for aspiring designers. These workshops provide hands-on experience and mentorship, helping to cultivate the next generation of virtual designers. Job fairs are going virtual as well. Companies from various industries are participating, offering a wide range of opportunities for job seekers. Networking events are also taking place in the virtual world. Professionals can connect, share ideas, and collaborate on projects, all within a digital environment. Career counseling is available to help individuals navigate this new job market. Counselors provide guidance on how to transition into virtual roles and develop the necessary skills. Job interviews are being conducted in virtual reality as well. This allows candidates to showcase their skills in a realistic setting, making the interview process more effective. The onboarding process for new hires is also being transformed. Virtual reality provides an immersive experience that helps new employees get up to speed quickly. Team-building activities are more engaging in the virtual world. These activities help to build camaraderie and foster a positive work culture. Leadership training is also being enhanced with virtual reality. Leaders are able to develop their skills in a dynamic and interactive environment. Project management tools are being optimized for the virtual world. These tools help teams stay organized and on track, ensuring projects are completed successfully. Performance reviews are more comprehensive in the virtual world. Managers can provide detailed feedback and set clear goals for their team members. Employee wellness programs are also being integrated into the virtual workplace. These programs promote physical and mental well-being, helping employees stay healthy and productive. Innovation labs are being set up in the virtual world. These labs provide a space for employees to experiment with new ideas and technologies. Sustainability initiatives are also being prioritized. The virtual world offers unique opportunities to reduce environmental impact and promote sustainable practices. Community outreach programs are being expanded into the virtual world. These programs help to connect with and support communities in new and meaningful ways. Educational programs are being developed for students. These programs provide immersive learning experiences that can enhance traditional education. Internships are also going virtual. Young professionals can gain valuable experience and build their skills in a digital environment. Mentorship programs are being enhanced with virtual reality. Mentors and mentees can connect and collaborate in a more interactive and engaging way. Hackathons are being held in the virtual world. These events bring together creative minds to solve problems and develop innovative solutions. Art and design exhibitions are also taking place in the virtual world. These exhibitions provide a platform for artists to showcase their work to a global audience. Music and entertainment events are being transformed by virtual reality. These events offer immersive experiences that can rival any live performance. Sports and fitness programs are being integrated into the virtual world. These programs provide a fun and engaging way to stay active and healthy. Travel and tourism are also being reimagined with virtual reality. These experiences allow people to explore new places and cultures from the comfort of their own home. Real estate tours are being conducted in virtual reality. This allows potential buyers to explore properties in detail without having to visit in person. Healthcare and therapy sessions are being enhanced with virtual reality. These sessions provide a more interactive and effective way to deliver care. Legal and financial services are also being transformed by virtual reality. These services can be delivered more efficiently and effectively in a digital environment. Government and public services are being integrated into the virtual world. This makes it easier for citizens to access services and information. Environmental conservation projects are being supported by virtual reality. These projects help to protect and preserve natural resources. Humanitarian aid initiatives are being enhanced with virtual reality. These initiatives provide support to communities in need in a more effective and efficient way. Disaster response and recovery efforts are being improved with virtual reality. These efforts can be coordinated more effectively, providing faster and more efficient support. Space exploration and research are being advanced with virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to explore and understand the universe. Scientific research and innovation are being driven by virtual reality. These technologies provide new tools and methods for conducting research and developing new solutions. Agricultural and farming practices are being enhanced with virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to improve efficiency and sustainability. Manufacturing and production processes are being transformed by virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to improve efficiency and quality. Transportation and logistics solutions are being optimized with virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Energy and utility management are being enhanced with virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to improve efficiency and sustainability. Retail and e-commerce experiences are being transformed by virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to engage customers and improve sales. Financial and investment services are being enhanced with virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to manage and grow wealth. Insurance and risk management are being improved with virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to assess and manage risk. Education and training programs are being transformed by virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to deliver education and training more effectively. Research and development initiatives are being driven by virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to innovate and develop new solutions. Public safety and security measures are being enhanced with virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to protect and serve communities. Cultural and heritage preservation is being supported by virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to protect and promote cultural heritage. Social and community engagement is being enhanced with virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to connect and engage with communities. Sports and entertainment experiences are being transformed by virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to engage and entertain audiences. Tourism and travel experiences are being reimagined with virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to explore and experience the world. Real estate and property management are being enhanced with virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to manage and market properties. Healthcare and medical services are being transformed by virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to deliver care and improve health outcomes. Legal and financial services are being enhanced with virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to deliver services more efficiently and effectively. Government and public services are being integrated into the virtual world. These technologies provide new ways to deliver services and engage with citizens. Environmental conservation projects are being supported by virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to protect and preserve natural resources. Humanitarian aid initiatives are being enhanced with virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to deliver aid and support to communities in need. Disaster response and recovery efforts are being improved with virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to coordinate and deliver support more effectively. Space exploration and research are being advanced with virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to explore and understand the universe. Scientific research and innovation are being driven by virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to conduct research and develop new solutions. Agricultural and farming practices are being enhanced with virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to improve efficiency and sustainability. Manufacturing and production processes are being transformed by virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to improve efficiency and quality. Transportation and logistics solutions are being optimized with virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Energy and utility management are being enhanced with virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to improve efficiency and sustainability. Retail and e-commerce experiences are being transformed by virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to engage customers and improve sales. Financial and investment services are being enhanced with virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to manage and grow wealth. Insurance and risk management are being improved with virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to assess and manage risk. Education and training programs are being transformed by virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to deliver education and training more effectively. Research and development initiatives are being driven by virtual reality. These technologies provide new ways to innovate and develop new solutions. Public safety and security measures are being enhanced with virtual reality. IKEA's venture into the metaverse is a game changer. It's not just changing how we shop, it's changing how we work. And it's setting a precedent for other companies to follow. Think about the possibilities. Imagine virtual stores for everything. You could buy clothes, groceries, or even cars, all from the comfort of your own home. This is the future of retail, and it's closer than you think. Companies that embrace the metaverse will thrive. Those that don't will be left behind. It's that simple. The metaverse is here to stay, and it's time for businesses to take notice. IKEA's move is a sign of things to come. It's a glimpse into a future where the lines between the physical and digital worlds are blurred. It's a future full of opportunity, and it's a future that's waiting to be built.